Do you know that it's possible to earn extra £1,000 monthly from side hustles as an international student in the United Kingdom? In this video, I'm going to share with you how. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a boy again, Daniel. I'm an international student here in the United Kingdom and I share videos on how to relocate abroad. So if this is your first time here, please click on the red subscribe button. Trust me, it's going to be worth your time. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for the love, thank you for the likes, for the comments, for sharing my videos. I really do appreciate you guys. It's no longer a new information that moving to the UK for an undergraduate or master program is actually capital intensive. That is, you need a lot of money to be able to move into the UK for studies. And trust me guys, the spending doesn't stop the moment you get to the UK. The moment you get to the UK, the spending still continues. You're going to pay for a lot of things. You're going to pay for gas, you're going to pay for electricity, you're going to pay for accommodation, you're going to pay for transportation, a lot of financial obligation the moment you get to the UK. And there's a need for you to be able to raise enough funds. And don't forget, for you being an international student in the UK, you can't work more than 20 hours. So there's a need for you to be able to raise up enough funds from other means legally. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make extra £1,000 monthly from side also to be able to meet up with your financial obligation. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, the first side hustle on our list in this video is opening a Fiverr account. Now Fiverr is like a platform where people with skills project what they can do, and they get clients who are willing to pay for their services. Now the first thing you need to do is to go on Fiverr, www.fiverr.com, to open an account. You create an account, you fill it out, you click on, when you get to the website, you click on the join Fiverr, then you put in your email address, you fill your username, and you just go through the whole registration process and create an account. Now, when you create an account on Fiverr, there's a need for you to project what you do. So if you're a website designer, or you're digital a marketer, or you create graphics design, now you need to project out what you can do on Fiverr, and people contact you to pay for your services. Now when I moved into the UK, I opened a Fiverr account because I couldn't do that while I was in Nigeria because of the restrictions we've got being a citizen of a third world country. Now when I got to the UK, I opened a Fiverr account and I was designing thumbnail, and I projected myself as a graphic designer. So I was able to get, I think in 2 weeks, I got about 3 clients who were willing to pay £25 each for me to design a logo for them, to design like a flyer sort of. And for just 2 weeks, as should I say, a fresher or a newcomer on Fiverr, I was able to earn about £75 in just 2 weeks for just 3 designs. So if you're thinking of earning extra and you've got skills like website design, you've got skills like affiliate marketing, digital marketing, then you need to open a Fiverr account and push what you can do out there to get enough customers. Trust me guys, you can make over £500 monthly on Fiverr alone. So it depends on how highly skilled you are and how you can project yourself out there. Now the second side also on our list that you can do as an international student to earn extra funds is to buy products and display on eBay, Amazon, and also Facebook Market. Now trust me guys, in the UK, majority or like practically 90% of people living in the UK order for everything. Like we practically order for anything. Just some days ago, I ordered for socks. Imagine ordering socks online. So we order practically for everything. Now what you can do now as an international student or anyone living in the UK, it is not restricted to just international students. All you need to do is go on AliExpress, go on Alibaba. Now they've got products that are extremely cheap. You buy those products, display them on eBay, open an account with eBay, open an account with Amazon, open obviously most of you guys watching this video already have a Facebook account. Now go on Facebook Market, push out your products there, and trust me guys, you're going to get orders. Like you're going to get orders. I've got a friend who, this is what he does aside from his part-time jobs as an international student, and is making a lot of money. You can buy a product on Alibaba for £20 and display them on Amazon for probably £35, and you get your funds. So if you've got like so many orders from people, you select those that live in the same vicinity, go down to the post office wherever you are in the UK and post the product to them. It's as simple as that. So all you need to do is open an account with eBay and you upload your documents and get your business started. Start earning from you just being at the comfort of your home. Trust me, the UK is not like Nigeria where people don't trust you. People don't even need to know you. So as much as they're on eBay, you're on Amazon, just push out your product there and people will definitely order from you. So that's the second also you can do as an international student in the UK. So the third side also you can do as an international in the UK is to start a YouTube channel. Now I decided to start my YouTube channel in February when I came to the UK, but I couldn't go ahead because I had a lot of pressure on my neck and the balance of my tuition fee to pay. I had so many financial obligations in the UK, and coupled with the fact that I had to focus on my academics. While I was in Nigeria, I finished with the first class. I wouldn't want to come to the UK and just and just have terrible grades. So I needed to focus on my academics, focus on making money to pay off my bills, my tuition fee, and all of that. So I couldn't start until around September 2021. That's when I started this YouTube channel. And trust me, guys, the channel has been growing tremendously. So this is something you can also do as an international student or wherever you are. It doesn't need to be about relocation to the UK or to Canada or to US. You can think of something, think of a niche that you know you're actually very relevant in. I've got a friend that all he does is to teach on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and his YouTube channel is growing very fast. Like, he's gaining a lot of traction. And there's something called YouTube Partnership Program. So the moment you meet some certain requirements on YouTube, YouTube starts paying you. So you can actually earn. Also, you can disseminate information to people, just the way I do for you guys every week. Disseminate information to people, tell them things that they are actually wants to know about, and YouTube pay you for doing that. So you do something you enjoy, and you also earn few thousands of pounds from doing that. So trust me, guys, starting a YouTube channel is one of the ways you can make money as an international student in the UK, in the US, or in Canada. So I want to think about this, and let me just say this briefly. Starting a YouTube channel requires a lot of consistency. I started my YouTube channel in September, and at the end of December, I had barely 20,000 views on the channel. As I'm making this video now, February 13th, 2022, this YouTube channel has over 100,000 views. Now, I got a lot of views in just 1 month, and the views didn't come just in 1 month. It came as a result of my consistency over the past few months. So guys, if you're thinking of a way to get more money and online, then you might want to think of starting a YouTube channel. So the number 4 side also on our list that you can do as an international student is to work with delivery companies. Now, you can partner with companies like Deliveroo. You can partner with companies like Uber Eats. Now, all you need to do is to be able to transport orders from customers, probably in some restaurants in your locality, and be able to move those orders from the restaurants down to the customers. Now, all you need to for this is probably just get a bicycle. Bicycle actually cheap. Trust me, nobody's gonna look at you like, oh, he's driving a bicycle. Nobody actually care. Everyone drives that. Yeah, majority of people drive bicycle. Yeah. So all you need to do is to get a bicycle for probably £200 or £250, and you go to restaurants, you get the product for the customer, and you transport it to the customer. You get product from the restaurant and transport to the customer. Trust me, guys, you're going to earn a lot doing this. You can work with Deliveroo. You can also decide to work with Uber Eats. Get to meet customers order and get it delivered to them. You can make a lot of money doing that as a side also as an international student in the United Kingdom. So number 5 side also on our list is to buy a car and make people pay for pickups. Now trust me, guys, now the transportation system in the UK is actually top notch. Like, it's amazing. However, there's sometimes in the UK where people get stranded and they probably need a lift. I can remember while I was working during the festive period, during the December period, we couldn't get to work because for Christmas period, New Year period, transportation was seized. Like, the buses weren't working. Now people had to start contacting, some of these delivery, what was it called? Some of these like Uber, some of these transportation companies to pay them to be able to transport you to where you work. Now you can do this for people. Most times, you probably have a set of people who want to go for a party at a particular time, and it's a bit stressful for them to walk down to the metro, to take the train, and all of that. You can take this as a business. Getting a car in the UK is actually very cheap. You can get a car of £1,500. Now, it's not just for your own convenience alone. You also make money from that car. By picking people up from their homes, probably to go to their work or to go for any party or recreation, activity, and you earn a lot from that. I know of someone that earns over £600 to £700 weekly on. I wouldn't want to use the word Uber, but on just doing pickups. Hey guy, where are you? Can you take us to this place? And he earns over £600 to £700 weekly doing this alone. That alone is going to pay up for his fuel. He's going to pay up for the car insurance and everything that has to do with the expenses on the car, and he's going to get a lot of profit doing that. So if you're thinking of a side also as an international student in the UK, you want to consider getting a car and getting this done. Now, the number 6 side hustle on our list is working with house agents. Now, trust me, guys, getting accommodation is one of the major challenges faced by international students in the UK. Many people are actually trying to find accommodation, but they have no idea on how to go about it. I actually experienced this. My accommodation scholarship with the university expired 2 days ago, so I needed to, get an accommodation. I've been on it for the last 1 month, and it's been very difficult. So you can actually work with house agents, and most of these house agents don't know we international students. So until we contact them before they can know we actually need houses. So you as an international student might have people who are in need of houses. Then you be you act like an intermediary between them and the agent, and you get a cut from for the money they pay for the accommodation. That's another way of making money in the UK. All you need to do is probably just have a good phone for that. Go to those houses, do the viewing, take videos of the houses, and show to other international students who are willing to get an accommodation, and you get a cut from every money for the amount they're paying to the agent for the particular accommodation. Now, the 7th side hustle on our list that you can do as international students is if you've got like an hand skill. I don't know what that is called, like hairstyling, photography, or makeup. Trust me, guys, you're going to make a fortune doing that. Now, I actually made fun of one of my friends that went to have her hair done some weeks back, and she got it done for over, I think she paid about £90 just to get her hair done. That was excluding the money she paid for what do you guys do? What's it called? Weave on and other things. She paid the lady £90 for workmanship just to make her hair done. If you're Nigerian watching this video, £90, you know how much that is, over 60,000 naira just to get your hair done. And this is how most of these people make a lot of money in the UK. Trust me, electricians, hairstylists, those guys are making a lot of money in the UK. So if you have this skill, don't just sit down there having the skill and not doing anything with it. You can make a fortune doing that. Just imagine making hair for at least 10 people in a month, and you're collecting, let's say you're trying to be nice, you're collecting £60 from 10 people in a month. That's £600. That alone is going to sort out your accommodation, it's going to sort out your feeding for the whole month, it's going to sort out a lot of things. So guys, you might want to really consider doing this to ensure you get enough funds. So I'm going to stop this video here, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please click on the like button. If you want to make your comments, if you want to share your experience, if you're an international student already in the UK and you want to share your experience on how you're making money from side hustles, you can share in the comment section. And if you've got other ideas on this video, please share in the comment section. I will try to respond and have like a chat with you in the comment section. And if this is your first time of meeting my video, of watching my video, probably YouTube suggested my video to you, and this is your first video you're watching on my YouTube channel, please click on the red subscribe button if you've gotten value, and I'm sure you're going to get value. You can go on my YouTube channel to see as many videos I've done and get enough and adequate value. So if it's your first time here, please click on the red subscribe button. And for my time subscribers, you guys know how much I love you. Thank you for the love. Thank you for being so supportive. You guys are actually supporting this channel so much. I can feel the growth and I can actually see the growth. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate you. So guys, this will be the end of this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.